Hey friends, I'm back with another Adobe Illustrator tip. Here we're working on Frank and Harvey logo. My friend Corbin, give him a follow. All right, but if we zoom in here, we see this tail isn't quite lined up, right? And so I can grab a line and I can drop it in this corner and pull down across, and we can see, you know, that we're off a little bit. But then if I move it, I don't know where I was. I don't have any reference for that. So if I hit Command Y or Control Y for you PC users, why? Tell me why. Don't quit your day job, Aaron. All right. So we zoom in, we direct select, and now we get an echo of where the line was, and we can line up our line with the previous line there. Do the same thing down here. Pull it around, we can see exactly where it is. We just want to drop it right on that intersection. And Command Y, we drop out, we get rid of that, and nice and crisp right along the line there. All right, so now you know, and knowing is half the battle.